Today I'm going to introduce you to Pictory AI, a tool that can help you turn your scripts into amazing videos. Pictory AI is an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to automatically edit your scripts, add visuals, music, captions, and voiceovers. You can use Pictory AI to make videos for your personal or professional projects, such as YouTube, marketing, education, and more. To use Pictory AI, you need to sign up for an account. You can use my referral link and discount code GEOPARD13 to get a free trial and 20% off for life. You can find the link and the code in the description below. Once you sign up, you can start creating your video. The first step is to write or paste your script to Pictory AI. You can use the script editor to type your script or copy and paste it from another source. You can also give your video a title and highlight the keywords that you want to emphasize in your video. The second step is to choose a theme for your video. Pictory AI has a variety of themes to suit different purposes and styles. You can preview each theme and see how it affects the editing, music, and captions of your video. You can also customize the theme by changing the colors, fonts, and transitions. The third step is to add a voiceover to your video. Pictory AI can generate a voiceover for you based on the script that you provided. You can choose from different voices and languages, and edit the script as you like. You can also record your own voiceover or upload an audio file. The fourth step is to review and export your video. Pictory AI will show you a preview of your video and let you make any adjustments. You can trim, crop, rotate, and reorder your scenes. You can also change the visuals, music, volume, and speed of your video. When you are happy with your video, you can export it in HD quality and download it to your computer or share it online. That's how easy it is to use Pictory AI to turn your scripts into amazing videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to use my referral link and discount code GEOPARD13 to get a free trial and 20% off for life on Pictory AI. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.